The following diagrams show that when you are given SSA, how many triangles will be formed. Suppose AB and angle B are given. First of all, we will figure out this H when we form a right triangle by using this A and angle B. Using SOHCAHTOA, we know the H equals A times sine B. If the side B is less than H, or we can write down B less than A times sine B, you could say this B is too short. So no triangle is formed. When B equals H equals A times sine B, then you could say we can form a right triangle here. In other words, one triangle is formed. If this B is between H and A, in other words, B greater than A sine B less than A, then you could say we have two triangles formed. Let's label here. This is A1, here's A2, and this one is C. So we have a triangle A1, BC, and also triangle A2, BC are formed. When this B is greater than or equal to A, then we have only one triangle formed. Given SSA, determine whether the given information results in one triangle, two triangles, or no triangle. The angle P equals 40 degrees, R equals 20, and P equals 9. So these two means the size of the triangle. We know for the sine law, we have P over sine P equals R over sine R. Then we can plug in these numbers. You have 9 over sine 40 degrees equals 20 over sine R. Then we will do cross multiply. You will get sine R equals. The same line go to denominator, 9 as a denominator. So we have 20 times sine 40 degrees. Let's go to graphing calculator. First of all, make sure you check the mode. Then we will do alpha y equals, enter. So we have 20 times sine 40 divided by 9, enter. This number is greater than 1. It's not in the range of sine. In other words, this R is no solution. We can try using this graphing calculator, second sine. Then bring this down. You see, you got quit, which means angle R doesn't exist. We will write down sine R equals 1.4284 and so on. This is greater than 1. So R doesn't exist, which means no triangle for this SSA pattern. Let's go to second question. Then plug in. We have 15 over sine 40 degrees equals 20 over sine R. Then for this sine r equals, cross multiply, the same line go to denominator. This is a 15. You have 20 times sine 40 degree. We will put this down. Enter. We will change this 9 into 15. Then enter. This number less than 1. So R has a solution. I can do second sine, then bring this down. You will get acute angle 58.9869 and so on. 3 significant figures will be 59.0 degree. For the obtuse angle, we will use 180 minus 59.0. You will get 121 degree. So you can write down R1 equals 59.0 degree and R2 equals 180 degree minus R1. That is 121 degree. You need to check for this R2, it's real or it's fake. So I just put the question mark first. We need to check for R2 equals 121 degree. So you need to draw this triangle. So we need to draw a triangle with the obtuse angle for R2. This horizontal line is shorter. Then you can form this obtuse angle. Then you will label, here is a given angle P. This is a R. Let's label as R2. This will be Q. This angle given is 40 degree. R2 is 121 degree. We will add this P plus R, make sure it's less than 180. Because the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180. Therefore, we do the 40 degree plus 121 degree equals 161 degree less than 180, which means R2 is true. Or you could write down R2 does exist. In other words, we have 2 triangles for this SSA pattern. Yeah, let me show you how to draw those 2 triangles. First one is acute angle for R. So I will draw this. Make horizontal line and a longer. Then connect. If you want to draw obtuse angle, say draw like this. Then this horizontal line is shorter. Then connect. Then you will label this always the given angle. In this problem is P. Here is R1. Then this is a Q. This is a P. Here is R2. And this is a Q. This is obtuse angle. This is a acute angle. 59 degree. This is 121 degree. Let's go to number 3. This time P is 30, sine 40 degree equals R is 20, then sine R. So for sine R equals cross multiply, you will get denominator is 30. You have 20 times sine 40 degree. Go to alpha y equals, and 20 times sine 40 over 30. Enter. Then we use the second sine. Bring this down. You will get 25.4 degree. So we will use 180 minus 25.4. You will get 154.6 degree for obtuse angle. So you need to check whether this R2 exists or not. We will draw this triangle with the R2 is an obtuse angle. Let's label this is a P, here's R2. Then this angle is 40 degree. This angle we are checking is 154.6 degree. So this angle P plus R2 equals 40 degree plus 154.6 degree. That equals 194.6 degree. Since this is greater than 180 degree. Therefore, R2 doesn't exist. So R2 is a fake one. In other words, we only have one triangle for this SSA pattern.